Hello folks, Brandon here at Slingmods.com. Today we have our fitted luggage bag solutions for the Can-Am Spyder RT. The Can-Am Spyder RT is the ultimate touring bike and offers a substantial amount of onboard storage with its frunk, trunk, and left and right saddlebags. Now, in order to properly utilize those storage spaces when planning your next big ride, we partnered up with our friends over at Hopnel to bring you a full lineup of fitted removable luggage bags that are perfectly contoured to fit all the storage areas of your RT. Well, almost. First up, we have our Frunk Bag. This bag provides you with a zippered top to easily pack away your belongings and features a velcro pocket to stow away any smaller items. This bag perfectly contours the frunk space and includes a convenient grab handle as well as backpack straps to easily transport your luggage around once you arrive at your destination. Next up, we have our rear trunk bags. As you may know, the rear trunk of the Spyder RT is quite deep. Hello, 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 hello. So to maximize the depth of the rear trunk, this luggage solution is offered as two separate stackable bags that are sold as a kit. One bag for the lower portion of the trunk and one for the upper portion. These bags are perfectly contoured to the shape of the rear trunk, utilizing the space to its fullest. Now, both bags feature a convenient grab handle for easy removal and transport and offer a zippered top to easily stow away your items. And then last but certainly not least, we have our removable saddlebag luggage. Now, these are sold individually as a single bag, but are interchangeable with both the left and right side saddlebags. So if you want one bag for each saddlebag, you'd simply grab two of these. And as you can see, these have also been designed to contour the unique shape of the RT saddlebag, once again maximizing storage space. These bags also feature a convenient grab handle, as well as a zippered pouch for easy loading and unloading. And there you have it, folks. We now have a fitted luggage solution for the frunk, trunk, and saddlebags. So if any of these fitted luggage bag solutions seem right for you and your Spyder RT, then be sure to head on over to Slingmods.com and grab some for yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date with everything Spyder. I'm Brandon, signing out. Till next time.